Hi everybody, my name is Shiela Chia. I am a Chief Stewardess with Singapore Airlines. I'm also a balloon sculpturist with a creative circle. So today I'm going to teach you how to make two balloon sculpture with the Chinese New Year theme. So one of them is the Mandarin Orange, which symbolizes good luck. And the other sculpture is the word Chun, which means spring in Chinese. To start making these balloons, you will of course need a balloon pump, a pair of scissors, and if you have a smaller pump for the 160 balloons, that'll be fine, but if not, it's not necessary. Let's start with doing the Mandarin Orange. You will need to have a 5-inch orange balloon. So what you will need to do is you pump it full. And then you release to about your palm size. Okay. Tie the knot as near to the edge as possible here. This is a little bit tricky, but from here you push it in, press the middle of the knot, push it in. Okay, as hold it to the knot, turn. You get your orange like a donut shape, yeah? See. Have one of the thin 160 green cut into two. Right. You will use this end and tie while holding onto the knot. This time. Here. See. You only need a little bit, just this tiny bit left. Okay, you can shape your orange. You take the other end that you already cut into half and you use your small pump and give it 3 pumps. 1, 2, here, you tie. Look at this length, divide into 3. That will be that 3 leaf you'll be doing. One. 2, and after that you use this spare balloon and just tie it. You are done with the balloon. There we go. The Mandarin Orange balloon sculpture. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the word Chun using balloons. First, you'll need 2 red 260, 1 green 260, a white 260, and a piece of scrape. You just need to inflate a little bit. We don't need too much. We'll keep it for later. Now we are going to do the flower. You probably only need 4 pumps of air. First, to start off by making 2 1-inch bubbles. Together, tighten the knot. Okay, make 4 more sets. twist them together. The last set. So you get the middle. So this is where your middle bud comes in. Then twist that. So we make a 1-inch bubble, soft bubble. Okay. Another 1-inch bubble. And we don't just tight it in. We have now finished the first part of the flower bud. So now we're going to move on to the second part, which is this top area. Okay, now we take one of the 260. Do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 palm, and with about 6 finger spacing. Left tail. So a 4-finger bubble. And then make another 4-finger bubble. So we are all doing 4-finger bubbles. 2, put them together, twist them. Another 4-finger bubble. 1. Same size. Two finger, 1-inch bubble. Followed by another 4-finger bubble. Another one. Twist them together. Another set. 4-finger bubble. Twist them together. and the balance. Here we go, we've done the first step. The top part is done. Okay, now we're going to do the third part, which is the leaves, the wings, and the circle. First, let's do the leaf. So you take a 260 green balloon, you inflate all the way until you left about 1 finger, just a tiny knot, and then you tie it now. Okay, tie the 2 balloons ends together. Okay. And find the midpoint. Then twist whole bottom, twist the top. Okay. So they should go. Divide the balloon into 2. Twist them and loop them through. Now you take a red 260. About 6 palms, 6 to 7 fingers left. Okay. The knot you tie to the middle of the leaf. Okay. And now you're going to make 2 1.5 inch balloons. You can press it to soften it. Okay. Bend it, twist them together. The same one more. Finish this. Now we'll do 6 finger bubble. Them together. Okay. Another pair of 6 finger bubbles. Now you adjust. Okay, so we have So you have the 2 leaf, pinch twist, your wings. It should be the same on the other side. Okay? can do the final adjustment later. Use the flower you made earlier on, and you measure the size. Okay. Estimate the total one. There. Let the lid by twisting the ends. This will go in. Careful, they should look the same on both sides. The wings, give it a squeeze, then the ends, give it a squeeze. Okay. So this is the third part, and now we just got to fix this to the top. Take a little bit of tail end. Go around to the sheets. There we go. This is the final product. We have the word Chun, which means spring in Chinese. We have finished the 2 balloon sculptures. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And if you managed to recreate these, please do share it with us. Wishing you a happy Chinese New Year from all of us at Singapore Airlines.